Making money online has become as simple as listening and typing what you listen to. Even though there are other factors to making money online doing transcription jobs, the most needed one is impeccable grammar. What is transcription? Transcription is simply converting audio or video to text. You listen to an audio and you type what you hear. You listen to your video and you type what you hear. Let us look at the types of transcription jobs that you can find. Number 1, we have general transcription. Number 2, we have medical transcription. And number 3, we have legal transcription. General transcription involves transcribing webinars, which is common nowadays, podcasts, which is also common, lectures, interviews, sermons, phone messages, speeches, and videos. That is the general transcription. A high level of grammar and punctuation is required from companies or people that hire transcribers. This tells you if you're not good with grammar, you need to improve on it as quick as possible, especially if you are from a country like mine, a third world country like Kenya. Number 2, we have medical transcription. This is the transcription of a medical practitioner's dictation, which are then added into the patient's medical record. Okay, you are required to be very conversant with medical terminology. So if you are a nurse, a doctor, or somebody who is in the medical field, this can be a good side hustle for you. People in the medical industry, yes, will perform well. Intense training is needed for one to be highly skilled in medical transcriptionist. That is, if you're not in the medical world, you need to be highly trained for you to be able to handle that. If you like this topic that I'm teaching today, please subscribe and also like the video so that other people may learn. Then the last is the legal transcription. This transcription requires experience and familiarity with legal terminology. Just like the medical one, you also need to be familiar with the legal terminology. This also requires experience with transcription as well as in the legal profession to practice it. The types of material that can be transcribed by a legal transcriptionist includes recordings of court hearings, interviews, dictation by legal professionals such as lawyers, advocates, and judges. So let's go to the third section, whereby we get to see the most used phrases in transcription. And the first used phrase is TAT, which stands for turn around time. This is the time you should deliver the job or the transcript. That is the time that you take to deliver the work. Each client will have their own TAT, but a 24-hour TAT for an hour audio or video is more than enough. For a beginner, you might not see that that is enough, but once you get a glimpse of doing transcription, 24 hours is enough. The other phrase is timestamp. This means to mark the transcript with time codes. For example, after every 2 minutes or after every 5 minutes or at every speaker change, whenever somebody speaks, you need to add a time code. This helps the client find a sentence within the audio or video without listening through the entire audio or video file. The third phrase is the client ready transcript. If the client tells you that they need the transcript to be client ready, it means they need you to deliver high quality transcript. That is 99 to 100% accuracy, and one that will not need any editing. The client does not want to edit or does not need to hire a proofreader to edit your work. And the fourth is per audio hour. This basically stands for the payment for every hour of the audio or video you transcribed. For example, when you start out, you will be looking to be paid between 10 to 15 per audio hour. Maybe on the higher side around 20 to 30 per audio hour. This also depends on the website that you will be working. But if you're working directly with the client, expect to be paid $20 to $30 per hour. So I want to give you some homework that you can be able to do. The first thing is to go to your favorite YouTuber and you find a video below 2 minutes. Turn on the captions to make sure they are there. then turn it off. So you need to find a YouTuber that you love. Make sure that the video has captions. You just need to turn the CC button on. If you see there are captions, then you turn them off. Sit down, listen to the video, and type what they are saying. Time yourself. You have to time yourself so that you know how long you take to do that video. If it's a 4-minute video, you might end up taking an hour. Then make sure you check your grammar issues after typing. When done typing, turn on the captions and counter check if you correctly wrote what you said as well as your grammar. Remember to subscribe and like this video if it was informative for you. And see you in the next video.